What's up, everyone? It's Hey John, and I jabber opportunities nonstop. Today we will be discussing Evergrow coin because they have some bomb dropping news, and we will go ahead and jump right into it. Ladies and gentlemen, do you support Evergrow coin? Well, if you do, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to these videos because I do my part for the Evergrow coin army to distribute and spread this educational news to more folks. So if you want to do your part, all you have to do is like, share, and subscribe because YouTube will share this video out with more folks. And guess what? When more folks are educated about what they're buying, guess what? They're more likely to invest into Evergrow coin. Okay, folks, we are looking at the new, redesigned, revamped Evergrow coin website. Let's check it out, folks. Sam and the Evergrow coin team did say they will be launching some revolutionary utility. So let's go ahead and dig around this website and see if we can find it. Hyperdeflationary token with BUSD reflections. We already knew that. Let's move along. About, well, we know that this is one of the first BUSD rewards and reflections. Okay, I won't bother you with that because it's kind of boring. Tokenomics, we know this is why you buy Evergrow coin, because you get BUSD back, you get buyback and burn, you get anti-well mechanisms, and of course, most importantly, you have the transparency of the team, Sam and Evergrow coin. Okay, it features all these things I just mentioned to you. Let's run some more. Okay, there's gonna be a DApp and swap exchange. Okay. Let's see, where is this utility? I'm going crazy right now. Okay, cool. Here we go. Launching Q1 2022 Creator. Awesome. Launching Q1 2022. You can mint, buy, and sell NFTs. Fantastic. NFT lending, the first decentralized marketplace for easing liquidity in the NFT DeFi market built on BSC, Binance Smart Chain. Our marketplace will allow NFT owners to easily borrow against their NFTs as collateral on fair interest rates without having to sell them. Okay, launching Q1 22 staking pools. This is new right here. By using a unique set of smart contracts for staking pools, Evergrow coin will be able to move part of liquidity to the partner tokens by purchasing them on specific contracts interactions, thus increasing the value of the partner tokens. Participants in the pool will receive tokens in exchange for their contributions to the pools. Okay. All right, launching Q1 22 here, Oracle-based NFT game. We're gonna have a game, folks. All right, very cool. Entering a fantasy realm built on a Binance Smart Chain, earn daily login rewards, NFTs, and cryptos while enjoying battling against other players, completing missions, and defeating epic adversaries. Okay. Q2 2022, the Evergrow wallet. Fantastic. You can buy, sell, and swap your crypto on a wallet fully designed for the latest revolutionary rewards token, along with traditional crypto investing, fully integrated multi-reward options tokenomics here. All right, launching Q3 2022, multiplayer online battle arena game. Okay, I like the sound of that right there. Launching Q3 2022, the Evergrow exchange. The first exchange of its kind designed to fully integrate the next generation of cryptocurrencies, full seamless tokenomics integration, allowing rewards in native and non-native currencies to be paid flawlessly and automatically to holders, along with the option to buy, sell, and trade traditional cryptocurrencies. Holy cow. That was the utility drop, folks, that he was talking about. All right, we can meet the team here. We can see Ajit, Praveen, Sam. Too many names, not gonna name them all, but you get the point though. Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, that was an amazing reveal. Sam and the Evergrow coin team did not disappoint. I did make in a previous video that, you know what? This could happen. Why wouldn't Sam make an exchange here, right? Because if you have a wallet promising all of these tokenomics here, it only makes sense to make the exchange. And let me show you the video that I made regarding this. Let's play it right now. All right, folks, let's go ahead and play that video. The rewards generating platform. So now you have the Evergrow coin wallet, which will hold your, guess what, Evergrow coin, and it will support full tokenomics. So why is this interesting? Because it sounds like we're seeing Evergrow coin trying to create their own quote-unquote DEX here, decentralized exchange. It also says they also support all major cryptos and altcoins. So why is this important? Because we know currently on the CEX, well, you currently cannot have your full tokenomics on, guess what? That platform right now. Say Binance, Bitmart, Lbank, Kraken, Crypto.com, etc. here, right? There is no actual tokenomics here. Well, what does this mean here, folks? This means that EGC Evergrow coin, Sam and the development team says, you know what? We've tried working with these other CEX, and for some godforsaken reason, they just don't want to implement our revolutionary protocols. And that's fine right here, right? So what did Sam and the Evergrow coin team do? They went back to the drawing board and said, you know what, guys? We're gonna create our own DEX. Of course, this is my, ladies and gentlemen, it is nice to see that I am a fortune teller. I told you guys that when I saw the wallet and that AMA, boom, it led me to believe that we were gonna see a DEX on their own, an exchange. And now it all makes sense now, right, folks? When I asked Sam on an AMA, hey man, are you going to charge other altcoins to use your wallet to get direct payment? And Sam said, whoa, good question, man. I didn't think anyone asked me, but yeah, that's the goal here. So we could charge them oodles amount of money for buyback and burn. And guess what, folks? Now you're going to be able to layer on top of their full tokenomics on their exchange, and booyah, you're gonna have even more utility. I've covered this in a previous video, and my God, I was spot on. So this is why you guys should subscribe and watch my videos, because I give you the best content out there. Hashtag Evergrow coin is now live on Coinsbit, another major global exchange with billions of dollars of daily volume. The reason why this is significant is because this is part of the marketing strategy where Sam and the Evergrow coin team wants to be on as many exchanges as possible. So when they finally start using that $1 million marketing wallet, boom, it is very convenient to buy anywhere and everywhere. So this is part of the strategy, and we are taking our steps along towards the final goal. Some reassuring 3 months charts to compare of all these projects. Only EGC was newly launched, faced massive paid for FUD and lies campaign from other projects, and significant month-long error on CMC, coin market cap. It's been tough, hashtag Evergrow Army, but truly feel the worst is behind us now. Let's go ahead and look at this chart. You can see Evergrow coin is right here in the 9 o'clock position here, and it looks very similar to Shiba Inu. SafeMoon looks way more bearish than Shiba Inu and Evergrow coin. Bitcoin is doing its thing. Even Solana is affected by this, even though they have all kinds of utility. They are still being pulled back by the macroeconomics. Dogecoin, my favorite coin, is looking more bearish than the rest. You can see it is lower in the past 3 months. Evergrow coin is still way above their beginning market cap. Evergrow Sam says, seeing this gives me faith that we have been more affected by macro issues than anything else. New projects are most vulnerable to FUD, lies, and macroeconomics here. As we move into a crypto bull market, the hodlers will see the rewards. The other thing you'll notice is that yes, our volume is down, but so is volume for all these projects and the entire crypto world. Once general confidence return, volume and price should resume, ... This is a great question from Ash2312 here. Hi Sam, are you planning to list EGC on any big exchange like Binance? Evergrow Sam says, yup, exactly. We are in the process with big exchanges for top 3. We want to wait until Q1 to give us best chances of success. Ladies and gentlemen, that is extremely bullish here. The charts, well, the charts are the charts. We're currently in a downward trend across the whole cryptocurrency market due to many reasons, such as the infrastructure bill, interest rates, all sorts of things that are beyond and outside of our control. But if you are an American citizen, you can vote and you can have a say on where these markets go. Now, why is this bullish? Because Sam has officially confirmed that they are targeting the top 3 exchanges, one of which is Binance, and they're global, they're everywhere. They are the top dog. I mean, folks, think about it. We literally use the Binance Smart Chain. So if we get listed on Binance, it's going to be a huge deal for the Evergrow coin army. Now, is it going to take time? Absolutely. You better believe Binance has a rigorous and strict process of vetting tokens because, as you know, there are tons of poo tokens being built on their network. And if you want to be admitted into the Binance big leagues, well, you better make sure your things are good to go. So what they are essentially doing is they are working up the ladder here, starting with the bigger ones that are a little bit smaller and moving up every single time, and eventually hit the big leagues such as Binance. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to cover this real quick. Rewards distributed to holders here, $29.6 million BUSD, folks. FX Empire. Dogecoin miners revenue passes 1 billion while EGC distributes 30 million in passive income in just 2 months. Ladies and gentlemen, we are seeing the pairing of Dogecoin to Evergrow coin. We've seen in the past few weeks Shiba Inu get paired to Evergrow coin, as in, is Evergrow coin going to be the next Shiba Inu? I would definitely say that is very possible because Evergrow coin has tons of utility and they have a growing user base every single day. As of this recording, we have 111,994 hodlers. Well, folks, we are still seeing organic growth every single day. And do not forget, folks, the reason why we are in a slump is because, guess what? Some of these Evergrow coin whales have sold a huge position because they were pre-sale buyers and they are essentially liquidating their positions to get real US dollars too. Well, guess what? They made some life-changing money. So do you blame them? All right, folks, we are looking at the Evergrow coin charts on a 1 hour perspective here. So guess what, folks? We saw a bottoming here at around 5663 the first time around November 28, 2021. After that, we saw a nice bounce up to at about 8594. And then we hit the bottom again at around 56 again. And we saw another bounce, but this time the bounce went to about 7649. And now we're seeing another bottom at around 56 again. So let me zoom in now. And the question is, are we going to be able to go above 7705? Because if we are not able to go above 7705, this means we will continue our downtrend, and this is what you call an descending triangle. So I just drew for you guys the descending triangle. If we continue this, then that means that eventually we will continue to test 56 over and over and over again. And if it holds on long enough, then usually what happens is this is a bullish sign and you break out to the upside, because everyone knows that around 5-6, boom, buyers come in and they always buy the dip. The only thing here to ask yourself is that what happens if the folks stop buying 5-6? Then that means you'll break down and test a 5209 support line. However, though, currently we're seeing the 5-6 being a very strong support line for the past few weeks. Now, you have to remember there is tons of bullish news. All right, folks. So now we went over the chart and we can see that we are in a descending triangle. And that is, generally speaking, a very bullish signal. And why is that? Is because if you have a floor at, say, 5-6, and that is what we currently have, and people continue to buy 5-6, well, guess what? Sellers will eventually realize, why should I be selling here? Everybody wants to buy here. So, the price will probably go up. So let me stop selling here. And then the buyers who keep buying around 5-6, guess what? If no one's selling, then when you buy it, the price appreciates. And the seller is kind of doing a self-fulfilling prophecy, because usually these sellers have a lot of tokens. If they are no longer selling, then they are adding to the narrative of, you know what, 5-6 is a very strong support. So let's go ahead and move it on up. And moving it on up means that they just stop selling. And when you buy it, it's able to appreciate because there's no one above you holding you down anymore. And this is why the Evergrow coin case is very bullish. Now, if you were to buy some, I'm not giving you financial advice, but around 5-6 support is a very, very strong buying zone. And it has been evidenced here for many, many days and several weeks now. The only question is, you have to ask yourself is, do you believe in Evergrow coin? And do you believe in the utility? And do you believe in the projects coming? Well, if you are like me, you will continue to nibble at the dips, because guess what? You never go all in on anything, whether it's Bitcoin, Apple, Google, Netflix, Bitcoin, Ethereum, doesn't matter. You never ever go all in because you need to have some dry powder on your side for opportunities like today. So with all that being said, I'm extremely bullish. So make sure you leave a comment with the keyword of cool, because I want to know who are the real ones. And most importantly, have an awesome day, and I will catch you all on the next one.